good evening, everyone, and thank you for being here today with you. I am very happy to introduce you the academic program. This is our new academic program, and I want to explain why it could be the right choice for your future. This presentation shows the postgraduate diploma in obstetric and gynecology ultrasound, and it will be taught in London Institute of Sustainable Development. Our program, our post-diploma in obstetric and gynecology ultrasound program, is a unique advanced program designed to address needs in-depth training in ultrasound imaging specific to obstetric and gynecology. This program also equips candidates with the core knowledge and skills in using ultrasound during pregnancy and interpreting fetal ultrasound and gynecological conditions and studying all of the female reproductive system in normal and abnormal cases. And this program will enhance all the students the clinical expertise and diagnostic accuracy in ultrasound imaging. For giving you a very brief for the program overview, at glance, this course and this module's duration is 12 months, and the credit hours to be covered is 120 credit hours. The mode of delivery is online modules courses. The components of this program is core modules and clinical modules, as well as research methods, biostatistics, and capstone dissertation to cover the whole 120 credit hours. The core modules constituting 35 credits and clinical modules 65, while the dissertation with the research methods as 20 credit hours. The core modules consisted of ultrasound physics and knowledge, ethics and counseling for 4 credit hours. And the very important part for these modules is the clinical practice and professional skill in ultrasound practice, constituting 24 credit hours. Students have to complete all these credit hours. And for clinical modules, credit hours as 25 for gynecology ultrasound, and the core important course is the obstetric ultrasound, constituting 40 credit hours. The total credit hours is 65 for clinical modules. Students or candidates who are eligible for this program are radiologists, gynecologists, obstetricians, fetal medicine, physicians, radiological technologists, and sonographers. This program is 1-year postgraduate program. The learning outcome of this program that the students or candidates should be able, after completion of this program, is to know how to perform detailed obstetric and gynecology scans, and they have to have very deep knowledge of fetal anatomy and growth pattern and how to detect any abnormalities during the scan. Students should have complete knowledge about techniques for evaluating maternal health conditions by ultrasound. And they have to have great knowledge about the diagnosis of all of the gynecological conditions by ultrasound. Students also have to have skills to analyze and interpret the ultrasound images for accurate diagnosis and to enhance the ability to use ultrasound findings to make informed clinical decisions in obstetric and gynecology sections. Students have also to interpret images done by all of the ultrasound examination methods as transvaginal or transabdominal ultrasound examination. Students also should have to complete examinations and perform all of these examinations in all trimester of pregnancy, as well as to write comprehensive obstetric and gynecology ultrasound report, which is very important in our section. The strategy outline of the postgraduate diploma in obstetric and gynecology is to cover curriculum, maintaining the basic core courses which are necessary to employ in future plans, which containing of 6 modules aim to give a comprehensive view in obstetric and gynecology. The course or the program, students can have a postgraduate certificate or postgraduate diploma. To complete the postgraduate certificate, candidate must successfully complete a total of 60 credit hours, including 2 core modules, including ultrasound physics and clinical practice, professional skills in ultrasound, and at least 1 clinical module. And the postgraduate diploma, student should have to complete all of the courses and to complete the postgraduate diploma successfully by completing 120 credits, including the core modules and the clinical modules. Finally, the students will have a certificate and will be awarded by London Institute of Sustainable Development and American Association of Continuous Medical Education. The very comprehensive course in this program is the obstetric ultrasound module, constituting 40 credit hours. And this course, as well as the practical and professional skills, constituting the large credit hours of 24 credit hours of practical aspects. The course of obstetric ultrasound consisting of many important parts or sections, including evaluation of the pregnancy in the early pregnancy development, normal sonographic appearance, pregnancy failure, ectopic pregnancy, and many of the trophoblastic disease, pelvic tumors, pelvic masses associated with pregnancy and different syndromes, as well as evaluation of the fetus in all of the trimester, as well as evaluation of the maternal health and the female uterus, as well as the fetal situation, fetal health, fetal well-being, and fetal biometry, multiple gestation, IUGR, biophysical profile, and fetal echocardiography, as well as the fetal hazard and application of Doppler for the fetus. In the practical aspect, which is very important and consisting of, as we mentioned, 24 credit hours, this part or this module demonstrate clinical competence when performing and evaluating a wide range of ultrasound examination. Integrated as well graduate level knowledge of normal and abnormal anatomy, embryology, pathophysiology, ultrasound physics, and clinical data with imaging appearance to provide provisional interpretation and differential diagnosis. This module as well demonstrate clinical judgment skills at an appropriate level, and it can demonstrate also effective communication skills and apply an evidence-based approach to clinical decision-making and problem solving. Finally, we are willing to see all the students in this course. Thank you.